Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore sweep account optimization with Ally Invest, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Ally Invest account. Once on the dashboard, locate the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Click on the Accounts tab to access your account details. From the drop-down menu, select Sweep Options. You will now see the current sweep account settings. If necessary, review the existing options to ensure they meet your needs. To modify the sweep settings, click on the Edit button. A list of available sweep options will appear for your selection. Choose the investment account type you prefer for your sweep. You may also have options related to the cash balance thresholds. If you want to enable or disable automatic sweeps, locate the respective toggle switch. Adjust this setting according to your preference. After making your selections, review all changes for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with the modifications, click on the Save button. A confirmation message will appear to verify that your settings have been updated. If necessary, navigate back to the Accounts tab to double-check your changes. Your sweep account optimization is now restored successfully. For any further adjustments or assistance, consider reaching out to Ally Invest customer support. It's always good practice to periodically review your sweep account settings. This ensures that your investment strategy aligns with any changes in market conditions or personal financial goals. You are now equipped to effectively manage your sweep account with Ally Invest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.